So the fifth step in the innovation process is called create. What you're going to do here is pull together all the work you've done up to this point and create something that you think might be a viable solution to the problem that you're working on. This is the culmination of your thinking, refining, listening to others, getting a clearer vision about your idea, and now is the time you bring all that together and put it all into practice. What's unique about this step is you want to share your idea with potential users, people who might actually be the folks who will use what it is you're creating, and see if they say, yes, that's a solution that would be helpful. How do you do that? Well, inside the Kickbox, we've provided you a simple presentation guidelines that is a total of 5 minutes. You'll see in here, for example, that on one slide you have 20 seconds. On another slide, you got 30 seconds. It's very succinct, it's very brief, because what you want to be able to do is create to potential users your idea in an interesting, compelling, and succinct manner. If you've created something that people can see value in just 5 minutes, they'll be able to say, yes, we want that. And if you get that response, you have innovated something that is really meaningful to others. But what if you go through all this and you present your idea and maybe you don't get that response? I want to remind you of what I might have said much earlier in these videos. Even if you learn that something will not work or is not as successful as you thought it would be, you've still learned something and you've learned the innovation process. And that is the big point here. So I'm in the self-design studio. This is on the 3rd floor of the School of Education building. If you haven't been here, you should come by, check it out, and see what it has to offer. There are many opportunities here for you to create things that might help you make your project come alive. It could be art or craft or building. You might have an idea that has something to do with software, circuitry, robotics. They have the ability to help you film and create videos on a green screen. And what's really cool about the Self-Design Studio, you don't have to know how to do these things yourself. They have student workers, graduate assistants, and other folks that can teach you the technologies that they have to help you bring your idea to life. Come check it out.